Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by verifying hardware. Locate the Ethernet LAN port on your Google TV device and inspect the cable for broken clips. Use a Cat5e or Cat6 cable because they support gigabit speeds and reduce interference. Once done, check that your router has an available LAN port and the internet service is active. This avoids wasted steps. Plugging into a switch is fine if needed. Make sure the cable runs won't be pinched, since signal loss happens when wires are damaged. Now you'll connect the cable. Press the RJ45 into the Google TV Ethernet jack until you hear a click. This secures the link and ensures contact. Then plug the other end into an available router LAN port. Label or remember the port number for troubleshooting. Next, power on the Google TV, navigate to Settings, then Network. The system should auto-detect a wired connection. If it shows manual IP options, keep DHCP enabled for automatic addressing, unless you require a static IP for a specific reason. Finish by running the built-in connection test in Settings to verify link speed and streaming readiness. This confirms DNS and gateway reachability. If you don't get a connection, restart the Google TV, router, and modem. Power cycle clears temporary faults. Once restarted, swap the cable or use a different router port to isolate a bad cable or port. If problems persist, log into the router admin to view DHCP leases. Assigning a reserved IP can stabilize the device if addresses.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.